Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do from Amazon, which is the Dewalt guide for the previous video, which was the tool haul. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to open this package up. We're going to see what's inside it. This is going to be the unboxing video. That's it. Alright. No stickers. Jerks. Alright, so this is the compact router edge guide for use with Dewalt DWP611 and Porter cable 450 and 451. The rest of these say the same thing for the other three items I picked up, which is the two dust chutes and the plunge base. I think it was just the two dust chutes that came in this white cover. It's just this compact edge router edge guide. Part number DNP618. Dog Northern Paul 618. Anything that is marked DWP611 seems to work on the cordless Dewalt DCW 600 Dog Charlie Whiskey 600 router, which is the 20-volt brushless router. It's just something common, because what I noticed is the plunge base right here is actually DPW 612. This is, like, if I remember correctly, DPW 615 and 616, if I remember correct, for the dust chutes. Nothing fancy, it's just a cardboard box on the inside. Since the cart is actually open, so just use this in here. I don't even think this is correct, to be honest with you. Looks like there's parts missing or something. It's definitely not going to attach from here. Well, it actually might. No. Let's see, will it? Yeah, it looks like it will attach right there. Just unscrew one of these screws and just check. Screw is definitely too tall. Yeah, I don't think this one's actually going to fit. So we're just going to hold on to it for now. It might fit on the Milwaukee, it might fit on something else. who knows, I can always build a bracket that will make it fit better. It slides into the slots fine. It just doesn't look like the screws that they provided will fit. So let me get more information for you guys and I'll do an update on this video. If the Dog Northern Paul 618 part number, which is this guy, is not compatible, I will find out which part is and I'll let you guys know. But at the moment it doesn't look like it fits in the slot, which is the guide slot in the back. And it matches up with the screw holes, but the screws are way too big. So let me get back to you guys on another video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.